Do you know how to start a business? Or even what is considered a business? BizBox Basics is here to help you learn everything you need to know about business in bite-sized pieces, so let's get started. People are running to start an online business, and there are so many types of business you can do online, like becoming a blogger, freelancer, and virtual assistant work, dropshipping, and even becoming a YouTube influencer, and you can learn everything you need to learn to do your business online too. As a YouTuber, you will automatically be considered a sole proprietor. However, you can also register your YouTube channel as an LLC or partnership. You must pay self-employment taxes, although some LLCs make an S-corporation election to reduce their self-employment tax obligations. From the perspective of the IRS, working as a blogger means you run your own business. Even if you only work part-time as a blogger and full-time as a salaried employee somewhere else, the blogging part of your income qualifies as self-employment income. You will be surprised what you can do as a freelancer: sell your photos, your music, your skills doing social media, doing web designs. You can even answer the phones as a customer service rep. Being a freelancer sets you free to do what you love online and make money doing it. What is dropshipping is a process of product fulfillment that occurs when items are shipped directly from the manufacturer or wholesaler to the customer. You do need to select a niche. The niche you select needs to be laser focused and something you are genuinely interested in. You need to perform competition researches and then secure a supplier. Don't forget to build your e-commerce website. Also create a customer acquisition plan, then just analyze and optimize your business as needed. You must remember, businesses can have rainy days, even online business. You have to know what type of business you are good at before starting. Otherwise you will have more rainy days than most. Step 1. Develop a business structure. While many new online businesses operate under a sole proprietorship, this might not be the best choice depending on your situation. Step 2. Name your online business. Step 3. Purchase your domain and web hosting. Step 4. Research sales tax and licensing for your state. Step 5. Launch your website. It's that time. The time has come to fall in love with what you do. Time to love waking up and making money online, or not waking up to traffic or time clocks. It's time to love your life and make money online too. I'm a winner. Now while others are sleeping, you will be making business moves. Learn here at BizBox Basics what no one will tell you anywhere else, with quick help guides to getting starting and growing in business. The one and only BizBox Basics, where you can learn business in bite-sized pieces. Now check out our other great YouTube video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get all of our newest videos and be on your way to a successful business start.